Eastern tonight have reminded their passengers they don't control these fares, but say that the fares that are unrated.
Why have you lied and said that lockdown's illegal? How can it be legal to lock people in their houses without judge, jury and
He also said that the council could be in line for a £60 million fine. I'm not higher class than you, mate. I'm just trying to do a job. Have you got a job? Yeah, I do. Well, don't fucking do it, and I won't come into your workplace and start fucking with you.
Stop being rude. That's just out there.
If you get behind me again, I'll fucking bang you out. Why don't you don't get a job, and then I'll come behind you and start being an idiot.
I mean, you're already an idiot, mate.
Where do you work? Foot Locker? Or McDonald's? Mate, how about sorry for trying to mess up my work? How about that? Do you know how hard it is to broadcast live to 500,000 people? Do you know how hard it is to concentrate? It's quite hard without someone in the background going, oh,
TV. It's got TV.
Not anymore, does it? Is it ITV?